This video I will show you how to add a Facebook share button in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my website homepage on Hostinger website builder, and let's say I want to add a Facebook share button to this page on my website. First, look for something called Facebook share button configurator. Once you're inside this page, click on share button configurator. Fill in your page URL. For example, this for this page. For example, this is my page URL. This is my full page URL to fill here. Then you can select the layout of your button. For example, a box count, a button. Let's go with a button, a large button, and hit get code. Go to iframe and copy this code. Then go to Hostinger website builder, add an element, select embed code, and replace it with your Facebook iframe. Hit embed code. As you can see, my button is added here. Now let's update my website. Now that my changes are published online, let's check the result. I want this code, go to, and this is my Facebook share button added to my website on Hostinger website builder.